Okay, we are back again. We tried to go to Marina side, but the problem is the traffic there. It says 30 minutes to reach at JBR, but it keeps on saying 30, keeps on saying 30 minutes for 1.5 hours. So we went out now in JLT. We'll eat here. Dampok. We are supposed to go to, what's the name?
Barbecue delights.
Barbecue Delights. But Barbecue Delights, to reach there, you have to walk. From here, that's again 30 more minutes. So we are not going there. Let's see if they have fried fish, bindi, and biryani. Too much driving will make you hungry. How's the video? This is super night mode on DJI Nano and 30 frames per second. Other video is 60 frames. I don't know how to adjust that, but I'll try to adjust that. So 30 normal colors, 5200K white balance. I fixed it. No more going up and down because I don't like that. 5200 is okay, I think. Daily stabilization. And what else is there? Let's see. 4K. 4K Rocksteady standard. I think it's standard, yeah. No de-warping. No warping. No fisheye lens here. This is good, oh. And it's quiet now. Why?
Everyone's in JBR.
Everyone's there, yeah, it's quiet today here. There are people who are not going there, which are normal people, and there are people who are going there, which are super excited people. No more pani because I have to drive all the time. Little Bali is here. Never tried this. Looks like pakoda. Pakoda, no? They actually took the water out of this. All of it is empty now. This used to be full of water, but the water was not good at very last few days. Now no more. We can sit outside. I think it's open. The weather's too good nowadays. How 8:35 is time. Good food. Oh, they changed it to candlelight. Before there was big lights, big bulbs. No more. You have candle lights only. Wow. Okay, we'll eat here. Let's eat some good Pakistani food.
Away from the door.
See the happiness on my face. Nihari combo. They have Nihari, Halim. That's Dampok special combos. You wanna try this naan? Keema?
They have the bindi.
They will have bindi. They will, sure, for sure.
Bindi masala.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Sir, I am done. We will get one bindi masala, one chicken biryani, one Lahori fried fish. How many? How big is the piece? It says 3 pieces. 3 pieces.
Lahori?
Yeah,
I think 6 pieces come.
6 pieces. Okay, that
You
one.
can check that.
Yeah.
Lahori fish fry.
What else? वो इमली चटनी होती है, इमली वाला वो सॉस होती है, इमली वाला वो मिलेगा साथ.
Which one?
Imli sauce, the sauce with the imli and the sour one, sour sauce. Raita ki
Raita bean sauce curry.
comes with it.
Yeah, with the chicken biryani and beef fry.
Yeah, that's it. I'm on dieting anyways. So this is the new Nano in low light, and this is a very good camera with a lot of attachments. I recently had an update on this. It's like 600 something MBs of update. Now I can shoot it in 60 FPS. I think yesterday I was able to shoot 60 FPS on super night mode.
What's Chana
But I
char?
updated it today, so I cannot anymore. Chana char, you wanna try chana char? Oh,
is
it's
that?
very good.
What is
It's,
that?
it's chickpeas, potatoes, onion, and sauce, and
What do you eat it with?
spoon. Recently, I got into this G-Shock thing too much that
You shop.
I got shocked by the prices. The starting prices are 200, and then it goes up to 25,000, 30,000 plus for a G-Shock watch.
30,000 or 3,000?
30,000.
Which one?
I saw one. The one I have, the very first one, I have 21 GM 2100. I don't know the name. That one, the regular one is 1200. So I bought this GM 2100 something. I like it too much. Then I go back and bought another one. The difference between the regular G-Shock and Japanese G-Shock is Japanese is way better. So I got this recently. This is the square shape. I don't remember the models because it's very difficult for me to remember. This is GW 5000 HS, and since I got this is only for casual use, so I wear this when I'm off and I never take it off. Let's say on Friday I get off from my work, I go back home, I wear this going out or whatever, and I remove it Monday morning when I'm leaving to work. Then I switch it to the other G-Shock, that is 2100, or the other one I have another one also. So it's expensive, but these watches I never thought I will wear a watch like this. But I don't like, I was not into watches before. I was very cheap, I was into cheap watches. There's a Casio F91, it's like 100 dirham. I thought that's the thing, that's only I need. But then I got into more watches. Only Casio, I only like Casio. Now I have this. And the good part about this is also Japanese made. The 2100 is Japanese made. 2100 is solar, tough solar. This is also tough solar. That means you don't have to get the battery replaced. The guy at the shop said the lifespan of the batteries for solar batteries is around 10 to 12 years. And if you live that long, if I live that long, I'll let you know if it's actually 10 years or whatever. But I'm planning to keep this one for the long time. This is a very good watch. Also 200 meters waterproof. What else? It has timer and everything else. There is another version that comes with heart rate and all that Android or smartwatch stuff. I don't like that. It's multi-band. You can change the band on this. This part you can change anytime you want. Same goes to everything. You can change on 2100 as well. The other one as well. So we have Raita. Green and white. Okay, another thing I just remember. You get your wrist up and the light turns on and you can see the time at now. This is negative display. There are some people who are into negative display too much. They like this negative display. And I posted it somewhere. They're like, wow, this is good. Negative display is my thing. And I was like, okay. I never knew what this thing is, negative or positive. I had zero knowledge about this anyways. बेहतरीन रोटी, ज़बरदस्त रोटी. Good. You can make lassi out of this. Good lassi. Now what we have here is bhindi masala, Lahori fried fish, and we have chana chaat. That's like a starter.
Maybe I think this is
We got it, but now we have other food, so I will eat this, then this.
This is better with imli. Maybe asim tamarind sauce.
Okay, we have biryani also.
Sorry, girl.
Brother is very nice with it. Switch to my own language, my mother language now. खाना बेहतरीन सी. भिंडी तबाह कर छड़ी, बिरयानी रह गई, वो नाल ले ली है. थोड़ी जी भिंडी सी तो नाल रोटी थी. भिंडी तो रोटी सुबह खाएंगे, सुबह लेके जाएंगे, साथ दफ्तर खाएंगे. 107. Okay, we have this for tomorrow. Start. Huh?
The Tunday.
Tunde.
The guy
Tunday.
who didn't serve saw the tip and took it.
They share it, I think. It
And no,
goes
put it in his pocket.
Yeah? Okay. रंगबाजी हो गई जी, रंगबाजी. टुंडे एक रेस्टोरेंट है जो कि है वर्षा में. सिलिकॉन में 4 दिन छुट्टी थी. हफ्ता इतवार पीर मंगल.
And the
आज
other
मंगल
guys
है
were just smiling.
और आज आखिरी दिन है, छुट्टी है. कल से ऑफिस दोबारा खोलेंगे. तो 2 दिन हम, पहला दिन तो मैं गया था काम पे हफ्ते को, फिर मैं आ गया था 4 बजे निकल आया था. एनीवेज फिर अगले 2 दिन जो है हमने गुजारे हैं सिलिकॉन में. बच्चे आए थे उनके साथ, और उधर सिलिकॉन में करीब में एक तुंदे रेस्टोरेंट दूसरा नाम है. वहाँ से हमने जनाब कटिंग एज इज दिस. व्हाट इज दिस? अब हम लेंगे चाय वाला. वेयर इज चाय वाला है. सो ये मामला हुए. 4 दिन छुट्टी थी, 2 दिन वहाँ गुजारे हैं. आज वापस आए हैं दोपहर को गए हैं इंटरनेशनल सिटी में था शॉन्किंग, वो मैं लेके आया हूँ साथ घर वापस. मैंने वो खाया, फिर घर बैठे खाया. स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स देख रहा था, सो गया, फिर उठाऊँ, फिर बाहर आ गया. और कल भाई ने जो है ना एक गाड़ी उठाने जाना है, लेने जाना है, बल्कि वो दी है, 1 हफ़्ता हो गया उसको। वो है शोरूम में और उसका जो है काम था थोड़ा सा वो करवाना था। उसमें क्या कहते हैं, वो खड़ी थी, 1 साल हो गया खड़ी उसको। अभी मैं चला रहा हूँ किसी की गाड़ी जो कि है होंडा सिविक है, 2020 मॉडल है ये मैं चला रहा हूँ, ये किसी की है। फिर कल वो आ जाएगी मेरे पास, तो कल देखेंगे क्या होता है। उसके जो है ना, पहले तो उसे मैं चलाऊंगा 1 हफ़्ता 2 हफ्ते चला के देखूँगा कैसी है। अगर सब सेट हुआ तो उसके बाद उसमें 2-3 चीज़ें और ऐड करवानी है और वो उसके बाद जनाब वो हो जाएगी यम पम्प। उस पर फिर हमने घुमा करना दुबई के अंदर बाहर नहीं जाना, क्योंकि वो जो मॉडल है वो 2000 का मॉडल है, सन 2000, जो कि मुझे लगता है कि वो साल के 1.5-2 साल और निकालेगी मेरे से, फिर उसे फेंकना पड़ेगा। ओके मुर्शद, सो वी आर बैक इन द गड्डी। ओह, इट गेट्स रियली डार्क, बट इसमें सनरूफ है जो कि मज़े की चीज़ है और थोड़ी खुली गाड़ी है, बंदा आराम से चला लेता है। मैंने यहाँ पे ये लगाया हुआ है अपना, क्या बोलते हैं उसे, DJI Action 5 Pro लगा हुआ है यहाँ पे। तो अगर कभी वीडियो बनानी हो तो बंदा टाइम लैप्स यहाँ से बनाने में। और इस पे मज़ा ये है कि बंदा सुकून से, भी मुझे 4 काम करने थे 5, जो कि 5 मैं आराम से कर लूँगा। अगर मैं मरीना की तरफ एंटर ना होता तो मैं इतना लेट ना होता।